Hey, I'm going to show you how to put up a secret shelfie by yourself, because sometimes you got to do it by yourself. If your helper's busy, you got to do it by yourself. So I got it sitting on a cardboard box. It's a placeholder. In construction, they would call that a dead man, so this is kind of my dead man. So I got to find some studs, because I'm going to go into some studs. There's a stud. There's a stud. Kind of cool, huh? So I'm going to take my pencil and mark where studs are. All right, there's one. I'm going to go right there, put a little mark. All right, that'll work right there. Now, it's always best to have 2 screws in, and this is why it's not pre-drilled. See, I can offset my screws over to this side and it still is really strong. But I do want to pre-drill because this is pine and it would split. Now I got to open it up to get to it. And my goal is just to put 1 screw in to kind of hold it, and then I'll level it up. Now I want to hold it up tight to the wall. I got my drill bit on there, and I'm going to just drill a hole right there. All right. Then I'm going to get a screw and my drill bit on my screw bit right there. I'm going to hold this because it's a little bit unsteady. It's not just wanting to stay up there, but it's okay. You hear that tap, 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 and that's the dog. This dog is just going crazy. She gets very excited when I put shelfies up. Don't you, mama dog? She is very excited. There's one. That's all I really need right now. I'm going to level it up and then put the other one in. Let's see how it went. We could put it right there, actually. Dang. It's pretty good. Also, I have a level app on my phone. And you can just put your phone up there. But if it's a $500 phone, you may not want to, because if it falls, you're out $500 if it breaks. So, wow. That's pretty good. I am actually going to pull this out, give myself some wiggle room. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Yay! How hard is this? If you don't have a drill like that, hang on to that, put it in reverse, that comes out, put your drill bit in, hang on to it, put it in forward, snug it up. Now, where was my other little stud mark? Also, if you're not sure about where the stud is, you can go from this over here 16 inches and you're good. I think I covered it up. That's okay, because I like using this. Boom, right there. Come on. And I still have room to set stuff on the dresser top. Plenty of room to reach up and pull it down and put my pillows there. But during the day, that's how it looks. Yeah, that'll work.